Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we're diving into two powerhouse tools for project management, Clickup and Zapier. Whether you're organizing your team or automating workflows, these tools can be game changers. But which one is right for your needs? Let's find out. First up, what are these tools? Clickup is a project management platform. It's your all-in-one workspace for tasks, docs, goals, you name it. Perfect for teams who want to stay organized. Zapier, on the other hand, isn't a project management tool, it's an automation platform. Think of it as a digital assistant that connects your favorite apps to automate repetitive tasks, so they're complementary but very different. ClickUp for project management. If project management is your focus, ClickUp is your best friend. It lets you organize tasks by projects or teams, visualize progress with boards, grant charts and calendars, collaborate with teammates in real time using comments, docs, and goals. It's customizable and scalable, which means whether you're a solo entrepreneur or managing a large team, ClickUp adapts to you. Zapier for workflow automation. Now let's talk Zapier. If you're juggling multiple apps, think ClickUp, Gmail, Slack, or Dropbox. Zapier connects them with dApps, automated workflows. You can move tasks between platforms without lifting a finger, trigger actions like sending a reminder, email when the task is overdue, save hours by automating repetitive processes. While ClickUp helps you manage, Zapier ensures everything runs smoothly behind the scenes. So which tool should you use? If you need a central hub for managing your projects and teams, ClickUp is the way to go. But if you're looking to supercharge your productivity by connecting apps and automating tasks, Zapier is a must-have. Honestly, they work best together. For example, use ClickUp to track your projects, then automate updates or notifications with Zapier, the ultimate duo for productivity pros. That's a wrap on ClickUp versus Zapier. Let me know in the comments which one you're excited to try, or if you're already using both. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips to level up your workflow. See you next time.